we're playing Dragon Train.
Firecracker bonus.
Firecracker bonus. Let's go.
One firecracker.
We want lots of firecrackers.
It's a good sign when you get 3 in the first. We need to get 3 in the
Yeah,
first
we need
one.
to get more firecrackers. Hey, we actually got to hit something.
2 more wilds.
Yeah, there we go. Now we want firecrackers. No, firecrackers. That'll work.
There we go. That one would be nice.
Yeah.
$50. Not balls.
Firecrackers. Or balls.
A queen.
That'll work.
Oh, holy cow.
Yeah. Was that our last spin?
Yep, that was our last one.
$76. Not too bad. Thanks for watching Yay Slots. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the little bell. Catch you later. We got our second bonus on this Dragon Train. Let's go. Fill it up. Oh, we want a Dragon Train. We want the Dragon Train. Come on, Dragon Train. Oh,
no,
save
don't
it, babe.
like this.
Save it. Save it. Save it.
Okay, here we go.
Yes, you saved it. Good job.
$5 at a time.
I was like, what did I get? Train. Oh, I saw the train in there.
Ah, we didn't get it.
Oh. I saved it. Hey, I'll take $2.50 if it just fills it all up.
Yeah. Rate's pretty low on this one. Somebody played it a couple days ago.
Yeah. Yeah, that grand is pretty low. It starts out at 10.
Train right there.
Train. Uh-oh. It's your turn to save it now.
Oh boy.
Oh, darn.
Still good bonus.
Yeah. Nice. 215. That's pretty good. Woohoo! Thanks for watching. Yay Slot. Okay, so we're still on this Dragon Train. We got another bonus on 2 cent, betting $5. $6, sorry. So here we go.
Put a train in there. Now's when we want a train. We definitely want a train.
Yeah, we definitely
Train
want
would be really good. Oh, I saw it go
I
by.
did see it go by.
I like these two.
Yeah.
Let's get more of those.
Come on, baby. Hit that major. There you go. You saved it.
$6.
It was $6. Hey, I'll take it.
Hey, that's a good one.
That's $60, yeah.
Oh no, don't be done. Oh,
Don't be
yeah.
done. Don't be done. Don't be done. Uh-oh. Save it.
Oh boy. Here we go. Here we go. Let's save it. Train or splat?
Oh, darn. Hey, that's still very good, though.
Good board.
Very good. Oh, we saved ourselves a hand pick.
Yes, we did.
Woohoo! Okay. So we got 1,100. Another bonus. Let's go. Ooh, I saw the train.
Oh,
Come on. Don't stop. There we go. Mini, $100, baby. Good job.
is there a splat?
Ooh, I saw the train. another mini or a minor. Hey, Mom. Uh-oh. Save it. It's your turn. Good job.
All right.
Oh,
You gotta save it.
that's my turn, huh?
That's perfect time for a train.
Aw, darn.
There we go.
$142.50. That's not too bad. Alright. Go. See ya the next bonus. Alright, so we got the sticky reel bonus. Let's go.
Firecracker. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Okay, start.
It's alright.
Always better to do 3 on the first one. Wild.
The dude. We need the dude.
Yeah.
Come on. We need more. Okay.
Balls.
Balls, please. Oh. Okay, this.
Come on. This.
Okay, give us like wild, but dude. Okay, we got 10.
Last one. Put the balls in there. Put the balls in there.
Now do the balls. Oh, well, that's okay. $72. $90. We will take it.
See you at the next bonus.
Thank you. See you next time. All right, so we got another Dragon Train bonus. Let's go. Minor.
That's cool.
That's good. Now we need the major. We got the mini and the minor. Now we need the major.
See the magic splat.
Yes.
That's a good roll.
90. Oh,
Oh boy, here we go.
we got 2 more spins. Come on.
Save it. You gotta save it. You gotta save it.
Save it, save it, save it, save it. Oh, darn.
Hey,
That's
it's a
still
good
good
board.
though.
Still a good board.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good board.
$414. We'll take it. Thanks for watching. Yay, slots. So we did a couple of backups and we got this. Let's go. That does not do us any good.
Oh my gosh.
Nothing.
Yet. Wow, nothing.
Are we gonna only get the...
Retrigger?
Nope. This one doesn't do it.
That's it, $20.
$20.
Horrible.
That's all we got.
Okay.
Wow. That was a sucky
That's
bonus.
Dragon Train. Sometimes.
That was really sucky.
Yep.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Yay, slots. Alright, we got it again. Let's see if this is going to be better than the last one. The last one sucks. Okay. Wow. Okay. At least I got the dudes. Hey, it's better than the last one.
Already. That's I think it's all you're gonna get.
That's it.
22.
Hey, $22.30. Better than the last one. Thanks for watching. Yay, sluts.